What's up, everybody? It's me, the home cook hero, back with a new video for y'all. Today I am thinking about starting this new series, a little game day appetizer series. And so the first installment is going to be these pepperoni pizza crescent rolls. Y'all, I use the Pillsbury crescent roll dough. I jazzed up some store-bought marinara sauce. Y'all, this thing is so easy to make and it's so tasty. So let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so first I'm starting with this Rao's tomato basil sauce. And it actually, my sister recommended me this sauce. I hadn't had it prior to this right here, but it actually is really good. So to that, I'm just seasoning it up. I put in some minced garlic, as you see, some black pepper, some crushed red pepper, and also some fresh chopped basil, which really amps up the flavor and really elevates it a lot more, in my opinion. And y'all, after that, I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to it, just to kind of make the sauce a little bit more velvety and silky, kind of like how I like it. Then y'all, I'm just mixing it all up. You want to make sure that you have little pieces of basil all throughout the sauce. So make sure that the basil is distributed evenly throughout the sauce. And then y'all, we are ready to go. So y'all, I am using the Pillsbury crescent rolls. They are a game changer for me. You can basically put whatever you want to put in these things, honestly, and it's probably going to come out good. So yeah, y'all, if you've seen my blackberry cobbler crescent rolls video, you kind of know what this step is right here. But I'm basically just taking out the crescent rolls. I like to do 2 at a time, and I'm just using a knife to kind of like slice the crescent roll dough in half along the perforated lines that they already have pre-cut for you. And y'all, I'm just doing that and just taking out all of the crescent rolls. I kind of like smash them down a little bit just to make them a little bit more flat and increase the surface area. So yeah, y'all, I'm doing that for all of the crescent rolls, and then I will be back with the next step. Alright, y'all, so now we are back to filling up the pepperoni pizza crescent rolls. So I used about a tablespoon to maybe 2 tablespoons of that marinara sauce that we jazzed up, and I'm just placing it in an even layer on the crescent rolls, as you see here. Maybe about 2.5 tablespoons. Check the description box below, like I always say, because it'll have all the ingredients, measurements, all the steps, and all of that good stuff, y'all. So then I'm going in with some mozzarella cheese that I'm just sprinkling over top of that marinara sauce. Just make sure that the marinara sauce is pretty much covered by the cheese. Then y'all, I'm going in with the pepperonis. You can really use as many pepperonis as you want to. I think I probably used about what is that? About 5 or 6 pepperonis. And then you want to just kind of like roll them up, as you see what I'm doing right here. You just want to roll the crescent rolls up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure you keep all the pepperonis inside. Make sure you keep as much of that cheese and marinara sauce inside as possible. And you're good to go, y'all. I mean, inevitably, some of it's going to come out, as you see here. But just roll with the punches. It's not that serious. You know, this is kind of just like a fun little appetizer, or like a game day appetizer, or something, you know, a little snack for the children, something like that. So it doesn't have to be an exact science, y'all. It's not perfect at all. But yeah, y'all, so I rolled up all of the crescent rolls, as you see right there, and then I just placed it in my baking dish, and I sprinkled it with a whole lot of mozzarella cheese, because I just wanted this to be extra cheesy, y'all. And I sprinkled a little bit of oregano or Italian seasoning on the top of it, y'all. Place it in the oven, and y'all, when it comes out of the oven, this is what it looks like. It's so bubbly, and the cheese is really melted. It's not burnt at all. It looks perfect, and you can still see the individual crescent rolls. So that's how you know that you did something right, because you can still see all the individual crescent rolls, y'all. And before you put it in the oven, you can also put some pepperonis on the top if you want to. I didn't really want to do all of that, but yeah, if you want some pepperonis on the top of it to really let you know that there's pepperoni inside. I mean, I don't know how you would know that there's pepperoni inside. But yeah, y'all, I can put pepperonis on the top and all of that good stuff. So y'all, as you see, these things are definitely nice and cheesy. But one little pro tip for me, I would take them out the oven and let it sit for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, just so the crescent rolls can firm up a little bit and so they're not as piping hot. And after that, y'all, I just served it up on a little plate, trying to make it a little bit presentable for y'all. So y'all, let me know how you like this dish. I'm thinking about starting like a game day kind of like appetizer series, and I have a whole lot of different recipes in the queue already lined up, ready to go. So let me know if y'all are interested in this kind of little quick series from me. So y'all, with that said, I'm showing y'all a little bit behind the scenes, as I like to do, taking a little bit of pictures for my gram. You should definitely be following me on Instagram at home_cook_hero. And y'all, with that said, that's pretty much all I have for the video. So y'all, if you enjoyed it, definitely hit that like button. You can leave me a comment down below. Like I said, you can comment on what type of appetizers you'd like to see me make. And you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new videos just like this. So y'all, with that said, I will see y'all in the next video. Later.